Yes, assalamu alaikum to all of you.
Alaikum salam, Sari Shanwaz.
Walaikum assalam, Shaysha Nawaz. Okay, so today we are asking.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Zainab Mazhar.
Walaikum assalam, beta. Okay, today we are just revising the exercises and this chapter also, and I will going to ask some questions related to this chapter. Is it clear from the
Okay,
exercise?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
And I should also mark the names who are responding me and who are not responding me. Okay, so that you can have some progress over it. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta.
Now, first we will discuss exercises.
Okay, we will ask the questions from the exercises also, and we will discuss it.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Okay, just see it. Okay, just raise your hand. Okay, I will ask you who will reply me. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mashallah.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
So be quiet.
Yes.
Okay, just raise your hand. Okay. Okay, the first question I'm going to ask is okay from the girls from Yusuf. Yusuf, if you are not responding, if anyone not responding on recalling the name, on calling his or her name, then I will mark that he is not responding. Okay. So you are
Sir,
here.
today what are you taking?
I'm taking the exercises.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'm muting everyone.
Number.
Okay. Yes, Yusuf, you can talk now. Yes, Yusuf, you there? If anyone not responding, it means he is not there. Okay. Yes, Yusuf, are you there? I'm writing your name if you're not responding. Okay, Umar Mohsin, you there? Just raise your hand if you are there. Umar Mohsin. Okay, good. Okay, very good. Umar Mohsin, okay. First,
sir.
okay. Umar Mohsin, Yusuf is not responding. Okay, I'm writing the name first. Yusuf, not responding. And now, yes, Vita, tell me that why you turn off your mic? Yes, Umar Mohsin, you can talk.
Yes, sir.
Beta, tell me that what do you mean by how we can reduce the friction? Suppose take any example from your home. Okay, the surface of your, suppose that the surface of your table is very rough. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Suppose that the surface of your table is very rough. How will you make it smooth? Yes, better tell me. Umar, you are getting my question or not? Yes. Okay, no, you are not responding. I make it that you are also not responding. Okay. Yes, Ayan Zubair, you tell me. I write your name.
Yes, sir.
Know the question?
Sir,
For
sir,
example,
what is after very?
rough. Okay. Suppose that the surface of your table is very rough. Then how will you make it smooth? Hassan, wait.
Sir, this question I don't know.
Okay. Also, I'm writing not don't know, not you're responding, but you don't know the answer. Don't know the answer. Okay, Yusuf Mansoor. What happened? This is connected. Okay, Yusuf Mansoor. Where is Yusuf Mansoor? Okay, Yusuf, you tell me. I already unmute you earlier. Yes, Yusuf. Yusuf Mansoor, still you are not responding.
Sir,
Yusuf Mansoor, tell me fast, beta. I have to give chance to other also. Give me fast. Okay, Hana Ubaid, you tell me fast.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, beta. Suppose that you are having a table and its surface is very rough. Okay, how you will make it smooth?
Sir, by less friction.
By less friction means that suppose that you are having a table and its surface is very rough. Okay, then how will you make it smooth, that surface? Now, but this is very easy, beta. Now, but this,
Sir, I think.
yes,
So, sir, if there would be less friction, so it would be smooth only.
by by yes, you're not responding. Yes, so Bada, you tell me. I unmute you.
Sir, by putting water on it.
Okay, yes, Hassan Ahmad Khan.
Yes, sir. If the surface of the table is very rough, to make it smooth, we can polish its surface.
Polish the surface.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just to polish, because you know that some surfaces would be usually doing. I'm taking the example of table. You can take the example of chair. What happens sometimes that when it get olden, the surface will become rough. Okay, then we will polish it once again so that the surface will become smooth and it is easier to use. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So next question is giving to you is that okay. Uh, okay, the question is okay. If you are if you are playing on a slide and you make it rough, so what should you do? Yes, tell me, just raise your hand. Okay, uh, yes, Amina, you tell me please. Okay, unmute you. You are getting me? If you are suppose that you are playing and playing on a slide is there and its surface is very uh, very smooth. You make its surface rough. What should you do? Okay. Yes, Amna, you can talk now. Yes, Musayyib Javed. Amna is not responding. Anna Ubaid not responding. Amna is not responding also. Yes, Musayyib, you can talk now. You can say your answer. Tell me the answer. Ayan Zubair.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was disconnected. Sir,
Okay,
ask the question.
Okay, beta. The question is that suppose that you are playing in a ground and you are playing on a slide. Okay, a slide is there, and you make it. The surface of the slide is very smooth. You make it rough. Okay, so what should you do to make it rough?
Sir, for making rough, we can do like what you can take an example. For to make it rough.
Yes.
Some fertilizers.
Sir, to make it rough, we can reduce the friction, or we can if there is
If you want to make it rough, you have to reduce the friction or increase the friction. Think it.
Oil that is not petroleum.
sir,
Increase the friction. You are saying you are increasing the friction, huh?
Fine. Understood the terminology?
Friction means opposing force. Your force, opposing force, you are also increasing. If you increase the friction, then it will become more and more rough. You are getting me?
It will be
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hamza Khabar, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
You tell me.
So, if anything surface is very smooth, so this one question or second one?
Yes, this one. This
First
if
one.
you are playing in on a ground and on a slide, you can say, and the surface of the slide is very rough. Okay, what you will do?
Sir, we have to slow down the motion of
How?
rolling ball.
Okay, very good. But how? Yes,
So wait, I'm
Sohail.
telling.
Yes, Ubada, you tell me.
Sir, here sir, the rolling friction come in the use.
Sir, we
Yes.
can add some rough finish to it.
Rough finish to
Or
it.
soil.
I'm not getting clearly. Rough finish to it. What does it mean?
Or sir, we could add grooves.
Grooves. Okay, anyone other? Yes, Faizan, you want to tell? Yes, tell me, beta. Yes, Faizan. You can talk now. Faizan, you can talk now. Yes, tell me the answer, Faizan Khan. Yes, Abdul Ahad. Ayan Zubair.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abdul Ahad, you tell me. Continue.
So question number second.
Yes, beta.
Side and you make it rough.
Means if you are
So
playing,
what
suppose
should-
that you are playing in a ground and you are playing on a slide. Okay, and the surface of the slide is very smooth. You want to make it rough. What should you do to make it rough?
So we will wet the ground and then we slow down the motion.
Yes, we slow down the motion, but how? For slowing down the motion, you have to make the smooth rough. What should you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, anyone other to
Yes,
try?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, Amin Huda.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You tell me this thing. The answer is of this question is suppose that the surface of this slide, you can say, is very smooth. Okay, surface is very smooth, means friction is very less. Okay,
Sir, I will make a rough ending.
you will make a rough ending. Okay, how? Okay, that's good, but how?
Sir, by cutting it.
Okay, you can say that the surface is very smooth here. Okay, the question is surface is smooth and you make it rough. Turn off the camera, Faizan Khan. Faizan Khan, surface very rough. Faizan Khan. Okay, so make it smooth. Okay, just what you do, surface where you make some undulations or some grooves so that speed can be slowed out, or make some undulations over the surface so that speed get lesser, or you can say that it get friction will be increased. If we want to write down the answers, the answer will be we want to increase the friction in order to make it rough. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Okay, you can talk now.
Yes, please explain again one time.
Okay, for example.
Please explain again one more time.
Okay.
Sir, please explain one more time.
Okay.
I'm not getting.
Okay. Okay, suppose that
Maybe we could make it sticky.
you can do anything, you put anything over the surface so that friction is increased in order to just increase the
Okay, sir.
friction. Okay, beta. May suppose that, for example, you are having a book in your hand. Okay. Yes, my book is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No,
No, sir.
sir.
Sir, you are visible.
No, sir.
Your book is visible.
Is visible or not?
It's not visible. Yes, sir.
No, sir, it is not visible.
No, sir.
Okay, listen to me.
Sir, whole screen is black.
Listen to me once again. I'm telling it to you. Okay.
Please explain.
So, for example, anything, take your book in your hand or notebook. Okay, anything, and
Sir, you can show.
okay, is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Sir,
this
you are
as
not
this
visible.
some are showing visible.
You are visible. You start.
Visible.
You are visible.
Beta, see, just listen to me carefully. Just listen to me carefully. Okay, this is your book in your hand, and the surface is very smooth. What you do?
Yes, sir.
You have to make the surface anyhow, anyway, to make the surface rough, so that it will not slide very speedily. This pen, okay. You means if you make the surface rough, you are increasing the friction of the surface. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what happens?
Yes, sir.
Suppose that this is a rubber band. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You put it over this book. Suppose that you put it over the book, and if you roll this pen over this book, so it will what I can say, it will hit this rubber band, and the speed get a little slower. Okay.
Yes,
When you slide it, so in this way you can I can say that we will increase the friction. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very clear. So we
what-
have to
Sir, the
yes,
rubber band will reduce the friction.
yes.
Sir, we have to add a thing. Sir, we have to add those things. So
Other
it can
thing,
stop.
also, anything also.
So we will add
Yes, sir, we
rough
can add
thing to
anything.
make the smooth thing rough.
Yes. Suppose that you are, beta, listen to me. First, beta, listen to me. Okay. Suppose that the surface of the table or anything is very smooth. What you do? You put some sand particles over it, or you put some okay.
Water.
Water it make beta depends
It
upon
will be more smoother.
water.
Sir, we will
One slide.
Huh?
Sir, so on slide, what we will put?
If we will put water on the tiles, we will then friction will be reduced and we will fall. Remember this, don't confuse with this word. If you want to increase the friction,
We can put some sand
Beta.
particle.
Sir, where?
Sir, we will wipe it with water.
Sir, where
Then it will
friction
be
is
beta, listen to
where
me.
friction is less, so that thing is so smooth, and where friction
Okay, students, listen to me. I am muting you all. Listen to me carefully. Just everyone lower your hand. Everyone lower your hand. Just fast. Everyone lower your hand. Please do it fast. Just lower your hand. Everyone. Better lower your hand. Okay. Coming to the next slide. Okay. Don't get confused with this word. First of all, force, or I can say friction means what is friction? Friction means, as per definition, friction means opposing force. Friction means opposing force. Mantasha, don't do that. Reduce, beta Zainab, reduce friction means reducing opposing force. If you are reducing friction, so it will become smooth. Okay. If you want to reduce the friction, you have to make the surface smooth. So don't get confused. If you want to increase the friction, increase friction means increasing opposing force. See here, friction is opposing force, reduce friction means reduce opposing force, increase friction means increase opposing force. If you increase the opposing force, then you will make the surface rough. Okay, on reducing friction, make the surface smooth. For increasing the friction, make the surface rough. Yes, yes, Faizan, you want to ask something? Tell me first. Yes, Hamza Khabar, you can talk now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are raising your hand. Yes, you want to say something?
No, sir.
So lower your hand, beta. It will create confusion also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hannah, you want to say
No,
something?
sir.
Beta,
No,
lower your hand,
no.
beta.
Yes, sir, your screen is not visible. It is showing dark.
Azhar Hussain, is it clear? Friction. So we are coming to next question. Is it clear to everyone? I think. Okay. So we are moving to next question, which is very, very important. That about contact and non-contact force. This is very easy, but contact and non-contact force. Okay. When listen this contact and non-contact force. Listen to me, everyone. Please lower your hand. I will ask another question from the same question. Okay. Another way of asking the question. Yes, please lower your hand. Musayyab, Faizan, and okay. Okay. Suppose that this question comes. So you are what you have to write. If this question comes of you, I'm telling you because some of the students do this thing in very 1 marks question. You are writing a very big answer, and in a long question, okay, you are writing only 2-3 lines. So if this question comes of 2 marks, so then you have to write the definition of contact force and non-contact force. Okay, if this question comes of 4 marks, if the same question comes with 4 marks, what you have to do? You have to first write the definition of contact force, then write down the definition of non-contact force. Then, as it 4 marks, then you will tell also contact force are of 3, 4 types, 5 types, whatever you know. Okay, are of how many types? Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, like this. And for non-contact force, you also write non-contact forces are of so many types. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Yes, beta. Yes, Aksha, beta.
Next time.
You are raising your hand. Just tell me.
That's what I'm telling. This thing is.
Yes, is it clear to everyone? Yes, everyone can talk now. Yes, this is clear. How?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, this is very, very
Got
important.
it, sir.
Okay, knowing the thing is another thing, and right
Sir, your
knowing.
voice is breaking so much.
Beta, maybe due to some.
Yes, sir. What you are asking?
I am saying that this is very important, that understanding the thing and writing the correct thing also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is understand. Everyone understood this thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please
So,
explain again.
beta, I am saying that if say, this question comes contact and non-contact of 2 marks, so just you write down the definition. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
the same question if comes of 4 marks, then you have to
With
explain it.
example, will write.
Yes, beta, because many of the students do the same thing, very short answer question. You're writing long questions, long answers, and when the question.
If this will come contact and non-contact force, so we will tell the types of, and then we will write also about them.
Beta, just now I told this. First, see the how many marks it
Sir, I can
contains.
tell the differences between contact and non-contact
Beta,
force.
wait.
And define also.
Please mute everyone and enable the chat. Sir, please mute everyone and enable the chat.
Okay, so these are the things. Okay, now if what are the characteristics of force of friction? I mean, what does it mean, characteristics? Just raise your hand. Characteristics of forces. If the question is what are the characteristics, so yes, who will tell me the answer? Okay, Akshay, you will tell me, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, the characteristic of force. Sir, it can start force can start to move an object.
How you will explain how you will say this?
Okay, sir. For example, if we start means if we hit a football,
Yes.
then it moves when we kick. This is because of friction. If friction will not be there,
It is because of
Yes, sir.
friction. You are saying it is because of friction. Our question is, what are the characteristics of
No.
forces?
No, sorry. It is because of force of friction. And one more characteristic.
Friction.
uh,
Yes, beta. I am asking what are the characteristics of forces. Means forces. What are characteristics? Means you can say what a force can do. What are the effects of forces? Okay, don't confuse with the
instance,
question. Okay,
force.
understand, everyone, please understand the question and write it accordingly.
Force can stop a moving object if
Okay,
it is applied in the direction of an opposite to the motion.
for example,
And
for
force
example,
can, for example, we take a football.
huh?
It is being stopped by a goalkeeper.
Okay, means you kick this ball and the ball was started by the goalkeeper. So the force of the goalkeeper due by his hands apply on this that force on the football and it gets stopped. Okay, yes.
Yes.
Yes, tell me another.
And force can also change the speed of the moving object.
How? What are the
Sir,
examples?
sir, in cricket, when the person who hits the ball, what do we say? Batman. So it does not, he or she does not kick in the same, means in front. It can hit in any direction.
Okay, very good. Yes, Mandasha, you tell me. What you want to tell me? Yes, Mandasha, tell me how. Give me an example that tells you that how force. I will writing the question once again. Okay, wait. Tell an example showing that force can change the direction. Okay. Tell me that force can change the direction. Give me an example. Yes, Mandasha, tell me. Yes, Shari Shanawaz, you tell me. I unmute you. Tell me fast, beta. Quick.
Yes, sir, you're asking to me?
Yes, Mandasha is not replying, so you tell me. Chadrish.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir, force can change the direction. For example, like, yeah,
Sir, I was
like,
thinking.
Okay. Just
Sir, I
think.
tell.
Beta, wait, you think. I will
Like-
ask you another question.
hit
Yes,
a ball with,
yes.
we have hit a cricket ball
Hmm.
with a bat. We have hit the cricket ball with a bat. So it will change the direction, how wherever it can go from the right and to the left and front also it can go. It's like changing direction.
Okay, very good. Yes, very good. Yes, Mandasha, you continue. Now.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was saying that.
Yes, your voice is not coming, beta. Mandasha, Mariam, please check your connection. Yes, Mandasha, what happened? Yes, Ubada.
Sir, like.
Yes, tell me. Mandasha, continue. Your voice is not clear. Speak. Your voice. Mic is open. Yes, I am Zubair.
Allah kuch.
Yes,
I'm telling.
Yes, Ayan.
Yes, sir. Question number 2.
Yes.
Sir, like in
my
the
voice
game of
coming?
carom,
No, beta,
in the
your
game
voice
of,
when you are not giving. Now your voice is coming. At that time, it's not coming.
yes, sir, I I can tell.
Yes, continue.
Yes, like in game of carom, when we uh, take the striker change because of the edge of carom board. Exert a force on the striker.
Okay, you can say like this also. Okay, yes, Ubada, you want to tell me one more example?
Shall I
of-
tell now
Yes, you can
or
tell me.
not?
Okay, okay, Mandasha,
So
continue,
like,
beta.
if
Voice is not coming. What happened to you? Wait, beta. Beta, you telling Mandasha? Yes, Ubada, you can tell me now. Your mic is on. You are not talking.
yes, sir.
Yes, beta, tell me.
Sir, the notification didn't came to me of the yes, sir. So in friction, sorry, with the help of force, we are able to walk, or else like the things are still on the ground.
Okay.
Like I'm sitting on a bed right now, so I wouldn't be able to sit on the bed
Hmm.
because if there wouldn't have been friction, sorry, gravity,
Okay.
which is also a force.
Which is also a type of non-contact force.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
And
this
sir,
uh,
friction can also produce heat, you can say.
no, the question
Wear and tear producing heat.
beta, see the question. What is the question? How? Give me an example which tells that force can change the direction.
Can change direction. So,
Hmm.
sir, while playing cricket, when bowler gives the no, throws the ball
Towards the
so first
batsman.
it's going.
You should give
Sir,
me
I'm
the
saying about
okay. You throw the ball towards the batsman. You should say or
yes, ma'am.
okay.
Throws the ball towards the batsman. So
Then
first I can say its direction. It's going in direction A, and then when the batsman hits it, then it turns in its direction and goes back and goes in direction B.
okay.
Like I'm saying, for example, goes in another direction. So in that way
Okay.
also.
Okay. Okay. So
And sir, while playing football also it happens.
okay. Very good, mashallah. Yes, Aman Jamal.
There's a killer, sir. Sir, now can I mute?
Yes.
Should I mute myself or not? Okay,
Yes,
sir.
you mute yourself. I muted you. Yes, Aman Jamal. Okay, I am giving you another question. Okay, what do you mean by static force? Okay, tell me about a question is given in the long answer questions. What question number 4? Explain static friction. What is that?
Sir, what is the question?
Explain. See in your book also 49 page number. Question number 4. H. Long answer question.
Wait, sir. Sir, static friction, the net value of friction force between two surfaces which can prevent one surface from sliding over the other.
You are reading from book. Tell me in your own words. Yes, Umar Mohsin. Yes, Isman Noor. Isman, you can talk now if you want to answer.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can I tell again?
Yes, better tell me.